Hey guys, it's about 40 minutes until I go for my last Christmas shopping of the year, since it's Christmas Eve. So I figured I would do a quick, like I did the Kayla videos, I think I'm going to do an Aiden video. So maybe I'll do two, I don't think so, but one should be good enough. Let me check this really quick. Alright. Okay. Yeah, this is weird. I got the two biggest ones I was given guildmates presents today, so I got to do the smaller ones now. All right, and everything else is done there. All right. All right, so here we go. That's done. Got to do these two. What is this? Okay, yeah, I was working on that before. Yeah, I was working on this before too. What is this? What? Oh, that's this. Okay, never mind. So, like, if I would go like this is now 1. Okay, so, alright, that was confusing me. Alright, this I was banging out. I got 34 today. And this is all done now. Close. Oh, okay. And yeah, I was doing these too. Alright, let's see here. Do this really fast. Alright, good enough for now. What was the other one? Okay, the glyphs. Alright. I don't know. It's kind of funny when you forget where you're. Oh, look at this, 108. Wow. Where's he at? Okay. Yeah, he was actually at the bottom here. Now he's all the way up to here. Alright, now what do I need to do? Alright. remember showing you this yesterday. So you go in, you get all these. If you can't get all these, or if you got all your things, you could always go into here and just bang this out if you want. And now you got all this, you got all this, you got all this, you got all these different amounts here. And you just go to town. Look at this, 5,400 artifact coins. My God. All right. So you just go in, grab them up. Look at this. She went from last to like 10th now. All right, where's he at? There he is. All right, now what did I just do? Wow, quick 2 million. All right. What the hell? Might as well just do it up. Now what am I looking for? Him and this, yeah. Here we go. Okay. What's gotta do? You go in there, you get all this stuff. Now what I learned is I should do this actually. It was get the main points first. Let's say I need that much, I don't know. You don't want to waste, because once these things hit certain levels, they go back down. I think this is 50. So I should be able to get all these to get 13 more. I don't think I'll have a problem with any of this. Because remember, they keep going higher as you're doing it. So I just go bang, bang, bang. I don't even think I'm going to hit 50. No, not even close. Wow. So you just boom, boom, boom. Then you go into this again. Go into here again. And then bang this out again. And you'll get more of these things. And then you're pretty much good. You just keep doing the same thing. Oh, look, 36. Wow. 19 and 21. Holy shit. Alright, that's, wow, that's amazing. I keep getting these hooks. Keep getting those hooks. Alright, let's see here. Yep, she's done. I thought so. I think I'm gonna start banging Kark out because he's so powerful. Alright, so, alright. So then we'll just go back into here again and grab him one more time, and then and that's pretty much, I mean, I'll work on the other stuff too. I don't want to make a gigantic 15-minute video and just show you the stuff over and over again. I'm going to finish this one here, and then what I'm going to do is after that, I'm going to work on these a little bit, get it close, and then show you what I do to finish them off. The only one that's going to be hard is the Soul Stone one. Oh, wait a minute, I already did it. That was the hard one for Kayla, so that basically that one was the hardest and finished it last. So, all right, well, let's see here. Where's it at? Oh, artifacts. Ascension. Ooh, I'll go work on that after I get off the video. Can't believe 36. I'm going to just do that one right now. Close, okay. Exchange. There we go. Went back down to 30. Now I can only exchange this one. I wouldn't be able to exchange these here. But I get them for half off, though. That's what kind of sucks. Alright, good enough. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. basically, remember, bang these out. These things, do these every day. I get so much. I've improved so much over the last couple of days just because these 3 things here just, man, it's just, trust me, they're really, like this one here, well, where's she at? Ever since and she's only halfway to where I want her to be. She isn't even as high as I want yet. And I still got 2 more. I got red +1 and red +2. And she's only at like 69,000, or like right around 70,000. You should see her. I'll put her in for Grand Arena, and I'll put her on my 3rd team. And between her and Clark, they just rip people alive. I've been beating #1 teams in the Grand Arena because of how powerful these guys. I've gained so much with him. He was only at like 40-some thousand about 3 days ago. So look at that. Alrighty, and I know she's somewhere around, 69,900. I knew she was somewhere around 70,000, but yeah, I'm telling you, do these 3 things here, and it's seriously will make a heck of a difference for you. I don't, like I did the video Surge Your Power. Maybe I should do Surge Your Power 2 and explain it with this stuff. All right, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. You guys take care. Merry Christmas, everybody.